Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make a delightful starter. It is called a salmon and crab stack and it looks absolutely stunning and will just be an absolute crowd pleaser this Christmas. So I'm going to show you how to make this at home. So to create this beautiful stack, the main standout ingredients is the white crab claw meat, which is absolutely beautiful, and our organic salmon sashimi grade. And we have diced these into little cubes and sprinkled on a little bit of black and white sesame just to give it a little bit more texture. So I've just diced up some avocado. I've had a good squeeze of lemon juice and I've put in some chopped chilies, and we're now going to make that the base of our stack. And then you want to give that a good press. Okay, so on to the next step. We're going to add the salmon cubes now. And again, give that a good press down. Okay, so now we are moving on to the crab. You're going to need another bowl because we're going to mix this in with some other ingredients. So like I said, you want one of our pots of white crab claw meat. It is absolutely delicious. It's such a party showstopper. And as you can see, you get really nice flakes of crab meat. And this is all hand-picked. So your crab claw meat is in. You want 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then I would start with 1 tablespoon of creme fraiche just to get it going. You can always add more. You want a shallot, give it a nice squeeze of lemon juice and a little bit of seasoning. Okay, so again, just give that a nice gentle stir, and then we're going to start adding that to the stack. And there we have it. I'm going to give that one more press. Now this one you don't want to do too hard because you don't want all the juices at the bottom to start flowing out. So just push it ever so slightly to help it set, because you're going to pop that in the fridge. Okay, so out the fridge we go. Ta-da! You just want to add a bit of garnish. So I've got a little bit of chopped dill here. Always looks very pretty. Pop that on the top. And then we've got some watercress here, which is a really nice peppery note to just garnish around the outside. And they're just such beautiful little bursts of flavour. And there we have it, our beautiful crab and salmon stack. It's so refreshing, it's so beautiful to look at, and more importantly, it is so simple to make, and it will be a festive blowout. I hope you enjoyed, everyone, and let us know how you get on at home.